Welcome! Today I will show you how to make a quick and healthy home office lunch with seasonal ingredients. For this recipe you'll need pumpkin, red onions, sage, goat's cheese, rocket and also some lentils, and then you finish it off with some lemon and mint. Delicious! As the holiday approaches, I've chosen some real seasonal ingredients available in your local grocery store, and I always try to choose organic where possible. We've got some pumpkin, going to be roasting this, taking the seeds out already, and I'm going to chop them into chunks. And I'm placing them on a oven tray. Together with this, I chop a red onion into wedges, and then place it together with the pumpkin. Nice glug of olive oil on top, probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons, and then I season it with salt and pepper. Choose your favourite herb. I've got some sage, goes very well with pumpkin, and then I'm going to roast this in a hot oven at 200 degrees for half an hour. Once the pumpkin's nice and roasted, take it out the oven, I sprinkle the lentils on top. This gives it a lovely earthy flavour, and then to balance it, use a little bit of lemon zest. This gives it a nice fresh taste. Also some lemon juice. I use some mint to make it nice and fresh, and then some goat's cheese because this gives it a lovely salty flavour. Enjoy your meal, have a great work day, and join me tomorrow when I'll be making another dish, a different dish with very similar ingredients. Thanks for watching. My name is Andrew McDonald.